Good day everyone. Today's info video is on human footprint on flora, impact on the nitrogen-sulfur cycle. This video is a wake-up call about the negative anthropogenic effects towards our environment. Let us start first with the definition of flora. Flora refers to the collective plant life present in a particular region or ecosystem. It encompasses all types of plants, including trees, shrubs, grasses, flowers, ferns, mosses, and algae, among others. Flora plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by participating in processes like photosynthesis, nutrient cycling, and providing habitat and food for various animal species. Next are the biogeochemical cycles, nitrogen cycle, and sulfur cycle. Let me first explain the nitrogen cycle. The purpose of this cycle is to convert nitrogen from its atmospheric form in order to create biologically sustainable gas for flora, fauna, and other organisms. Next is the sulfur cycle. This cycle describes the flow of sulfur in various states through the environment. Sulfur can either be organic or inorganic and plays a crucial role in various processes in the ecosystem. Now that we know about the flora environment and the biogeochemical cycles, nitrogen and sulfur cycle, let us find out how are we humans invasive to flora. Humans are indeed invasive to the nitrogen and sulfur cycle. Both the nitrogen and sulfur cycles are detrimental to the biogeochemical cycles that play essential roles in how the ecosystem functions and maintains balance in the natural environment. Humans have affected the nitrogen cycle through various acts, including the consumption and production of synthetic fertilizers, the continued boom of the industrial age, and the usage of fossil fuels. Additionally, excessive use of nitrogen-based synthetic fertilizers can cause nitrogen to seep into water, causing harmful effects such as algal blooms. These changes can negatively affect aquatic ecosystems. Burning fuels has also disrupted the sulfur cycle by releasing large amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. When SO2 emerges with atmospheric moisture, sulfuric acid is formed, which is known as acid rain. Next is, what are the invasive species to the nitrogen and sulfur cycle? First is the Japanese knotweed. Native to East Asia, aggressive uncontained growth can cause soil erosion. Following this is the water hyacinth. Native to South America, water hyacinths can clog waterways and negatively impact aquatic ecosystems. Next is Scotch broom. Originally from the European continent, Scotch broom is invasive in some parts of North America as it disturbs the habitat of native species. Next is the topic of epigenetics. Epigenetics is a branch of biology that studies heritable changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. It refers to changes in the activity of genes, which can be influenced by various factors, including environmental conditions, lifestyle choices, and external stimuli. Not much is studied in the epigenetics of the nitrogen and sulfur cycle. However, in plants, epigenetic modifications are being correlated to the metabolism of nitrogen and how effectively it is used. It is evident from our presentation that human activities have significantly impacted the delicate balance of the biogeochemical cycles, leading to detrimental effects on the environment. It is now more crucial than ever for us to take collective responsibility and work towards sustainable practices to preserve and restore the health of our ecosystems for future generations. Together, through conscious actions and thoughtful decision-making, we can pave the way for a more harmonious coexistence with nature and ensure a healthier, more resilient planet. Thank you for your attention, and let us all be stewards of positive change for the world that we share.